Hello everybody, welcome back to channel Fantastic Machinery. The Dozer D6T Bio Clear Grind Rake is a powerful and efficient machine designed for the precise removal of trees and vegetation. Operating with precision, it combines the capabilities of a dozer, a grinder, and a rake to streamline the clearing process. The D6T's robust build and advanced technology ensure optimal performance in diverse terrains. Equipped with a state-of-the-art grinding mechanism, it effortlessly grinds and clears trees, leaving the area ready for the next phase of development. The BioClear feature enhances environmental sustainability by mulching and recycling the cleared vegetation. With intuitive controls, the operator can navigate through the task with ease, achieving maximum productivity. This versatile machine stands as a testament to modern engineering, effectively balancing power, precision, and eco-friendly practices in the demanding task of tree removal and land clearing. The powerful Komatsu D275 and agile Komatsu D85A join forces in a synchronized display of forestry prowess. As these robust bulldozers engage, their muscular blades make swift work of the dense woodland, pushing through the thicket with unwavering force. Positioned strategically, the dynamic duo employs a chain pulling technique to systematically clear a vast expanse of trees. The synchronized movement of these heavy-duty machines creates an orchestrated dance, orchestrating the removal of obstacles in their path. With the D275 leading the charge, its formidable size dominates the landscape, while the D85A, nimble and precise, complements the operation by delicately navigating tighter spaces. Together, these Komatsu bulldozers form an unstoppable team, transforming a once forested area into a cleared canvas, ready for the next phase of development or land use. Thank you for joining us in discovering how tree bulldozers work. Today's video is over and we can't wait to hear what you think. How did you find this process? Please share your comments with us. If you find the content informative or interesting, show your appreciation by clicking the like button and sharing it with others. Don't miss out on future updates by subscribing to our channel. Your support means a lot to us. Stay tuned for more insightful videos in the future. Hello and see you in our upcoming content.